Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Do you ever wish you could put your tailgate in a different position besides open or closed? What if you could put it in 8 different angles of adjustment? With the Gate King, you can do just that. Join us today as we install and spotlight the Gate King Tailgate Adjuster. Okay, let's go over the contents that are included in the box. We've got 4 bolts, 4 spacers, 1 replacement key, 2 Gate Kings, and 1 pivot clamp. The pivot clamp is used to secure the tailgate to the truck where it meets. Right now we have a mid-guard tailgate lock on here, so we're not going to use this today. Let's go ahead and get it installed. The first step at installing the Gate King is, of course, you're going to lower your tailgate, and then we're going to remove one side of the support cables. We're going to leave the other side to support the tailgate. So we'll go ahead and get this one removed. Now that we've removed our support cable, we're going to set this to the side, and then we're going to install the Gate King. So when you open the Gate King up, there's a little hammer lever right here that locks into each position. That needs to go towards the top of the vehicle and towards the inside. We're going to go ahead and grab our spacer and bolts and go ahead and get this installed. Now that we've installed this side, we'll repeat the process on the other side. All right, we've got our Gate King installed. You may ask yourself, what do I do with the old support cables? Well, the Gate King box is perfect to hold those in. We've all hauled cargo that's longer than the bed of the truck, and no matter if you double, triple, or even quadruple check, the worry that everything could fall out is still in the back of your mind. Now imagine the peace of mind you'll get when your gear is stored safely and securely in the bed of your truck while you cruise down the road with one simple click of the Gate King. The Gate King is designed to replace your truck's stock tailgate cables and can hold your tailgate in 8 different positions, making it the perfect solution for every truck owner's tailgate problems. Simply push the lever on each Gate King device and pull the tailgate up as far as it will go until you hear the click. This tailgate adjuster is compatible with almost every new truck on the market and is your make model specific, meaning you will get the perfect fitment every time. Each Gate King is manufactured in the USA using the highest quality steel and is coated to be everything proof. Rain, snow, or dirt, none of the elements stand a chance. If you find yourself hauling bulky items that don't fit in the bed of your truck often, spare yourself the headache and pick up a Gate King. Don't get caught with your tailgate down. Thanks for watching today as we installed and spotlighted the Gate King Tailgate Adjuster. Now's the time to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, installations, and spotlights like this. Put it in 8 different angles of adjustment with the tailgate. Wow. Let's go over the contents of the box. We have 4 bolts, 4 spacers. Let's go over the contents of the box. We have 4 bolts, 4 spacers. Now that we've removed our support cable, we're going to go ahead and set this to the... So we'll go ahead and grab our spacer and nuts.